Venezuela's mystical Tepuis, trekking the enigmatic Tabletop mountains. Welcome to our channel, where we unravel the mysteries of Venezuela's Tepuis, guiding you through the breathtaking landscapes and cultural wonders of these mystical tabletop mountains. Nestled in South America, Venezuela's mystical Tepuis beckon with awe-inspiring tabletop mountains, each unveiling a unique world of geological wonders and biodiversity. From the iconic Mount Roraima to the majestic Angel Falls, these destinations promise an immersive journey through ancient landscapes and indigenous lore. Join us as we embark on an adventure to uncover the enigmatic allure of Venezuela's Tepuis, where nature's grandeur and cultural richness converge in a captivating tapestry of exploration. Before we begin, make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe for more exciting content. 1. Mount Roraima. Nestled at the intersection of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana, Mount Roraima stands as a geological wonder, a mesmerizing tabletop mountain surrounded by myths and legends. The ascent to its summit is a journey through time, traversing lush rainforests, scaling towering cliffs, and finally arriving at the surreal landscape atop the plateau. The unique rock formations, crystal-clear pools, and endemic flora create an otherworldly atmosphere, offering trekkers not just a physical challenge, but an immersive experience into a lost world. 2. Angel Falls. Angel Falls, the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall, plunges dramatically from Tepuis, contributing to the awe-inspiring beauty of Canaima National Park. The journey to witness this natural spectacle involves navigating dense jungles, revealing diverse ecosystems, indigenous Piman communities, and an array of wildlife. The experience of standing before Angel Falls, surrounded by the mist and the roar of cascading water, is a testament to the raw power and beauty of nature. 3. Canaima National Park. This UNESCO World Heritage Site encompasses an expansive wilderness that includes tepuis, savannas, and rainforests. Canaima National Park offers a tapestry of experiences, from boating on the reflective waters of Canaima Lagoon to hiking through the dense vegetation to reach the base of Tepuis. The cultural richness of the Piman people, their traditional villages, and the spiritual significance attributed to the Tepuis add depth to the adventure, making Canaima a holistic destination for nature and culture enthusiasts. 4. Kavak Cave. Concealed beneath the towering Tepuis, Kavak Cave beckons adventurers to embark on a journey into a subterranean realm waiting to be unveiled. The expedition involves navigating underground rivers, unveiling the intricate beauty of unique rock formations concealed in the depths. In the profound darkness, the glow of phosphorescent organisms illuminates the cave, creating an ethereal and surreal atmosphere. Kavak Cave offers a rare and mesmerizing opportunity, allowing intrepid explorers to encounter the mysterious allure of Venezuela's geological wonders from an entirely different perspective, where the subterranean beauty unfolds in the glow of bioluminescence, leaving an indelible mark on those who venture into its depths. 5. Morrocoy National Park. Along Venezuela's coastline, Morrocoy National Park emerges as a coastal paradise. Pristine white sand beaches, coral reefs, and mangrove forests characterize this destination. Travelers can partake in various water activities, including snorkeling in vibrant coral gardens, sailing around the archipelago, and basking in the sun on secluded beaches. Morrocoy offers a serene escape, blending natural beauty with the tranquility of the Caribbean Sea. 6. Los Roques Archipelago. Comprising over 300 islands and cays, Los Roques Archipelago is a haven for those seeking an island getaway. The archipelago's powdery white sand beaches, turquoise waters, and vibrant marine life create an idyllic setting. Water sports enthusiasts can indulge in windsurfing, kite surfing, and snorkeling to explore the diverse underwater ecosystems. Los Roques stands as a tropical haven where time seems to slow down amidst the beauty of the archipelago. You can visit our website to discover exclusive discounts and book your next flight, hotel, car rental, or holiday. Our comprehensive travel guide packages ensure you make the most of every adventure. Book and travel smarter. You can find the link in the description below the video. 7. Henri Pittier National Park. Nestled in the heart of Venezuela, Henri Pittier National Park stands as the country's inaugural national park, boasting a rich tapestry of ecosystems from cloud forests to coastal expanses. A haven for birdwatchers, the park teems with diverse avian species that adorn the treetops, creating a paradise for nature enthusiasts. Delving into the park's history, exploring the historic Rancho Grande offers a glimpse into its conservation legacy. This juxtaposition of natural wonders and historical sites makes Henri Pittier National Park an exceptional destination, seamlessly blending ecological exploration with cultural richness for those seeking a harmonious union of both worlds. 8. Mochima National Park. Embracing the northeastern coast of Venezuela, Mochima National Park reveals itself as a coastal paradise, adorned with islands, sandy beaches, and vibrant marine life. A haven for exploration, it beckons travelers to indulge in diverse activities, from enchanting island hopping adventures to immersive snorkeling experiences in azure waters. Amidst the idyllic scenery, Mochima provides a tranquil escape where the symphony of nature harmonizes with the coastal landscape. It's a peaceful retreat for those yearning for serenity by the sea, inviting visitors to unwind on pristine beaches and immerse themselves in the soothing embrace of this coastal gem. Nine, Merida and the Andes. Resting in the embrace of the Andes, Merida unfolds as a captivating city, luring travelers with its colonial allure and rugged mountain vistas. The Merida Cable Car, the planet's lengthiest and loftiest, unveils sweeping panoramas of surrounding peaks, a breathtaking journey in itself. Immerse in Andean culture through vibrant markets, lively festivals, and delectable local cuisine, infusing cultural richness into every moment. Catering to outdoor enthusiasts, the encompassing mountains present a myriad of trekking opportunities, each trail promising diverse experiences amidst the sublime Andean scenery, ensuring Merida stands as an idyllic destination for those seeking a harmonious blend of nature and culture. 10. Grand Sabana. Stretching across the horizon, the Grand Sabana stands as an expansive tapestry of savannas and tepuis, a sprawling wilderness that captivates the soul. Beneath its scenic grandeur lies an invitation to delve into the indigenous Piman culture, a unique opportunity to connect with the heartbeat of the land. Embarking on treks to the base of Tepuis and venturing to Cayetir Falls, bordering Guyana, unveils the richness woven into this vast landscape. The Grand Sabana is more than a destination. It's an immersive journey, beckoning travelers to explore not just the natural wonders, but also the cultural tapestry intricately woven into the fabric of this captivating region. In conclusion, Venezuela's mystical Tepuis offer a travel experience that goes beyond the ordinary. The combination of geological wonders, biodiversity, indigenous culture, and adventurous trekking makes this destination truly exceptional. For those seeking to explore off-the-beaten-path destinations that are rich in both natural and cultural heritage, the Tepuis of Venezuela present an unparalleled opportunity for discovery and adventure. If you find our videos informative, don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the like button to support our channel.